Governor Gavin Newsom has very strict guidelines that are keeping a lot of California businesses closed, but Kern County has asked for more flexibility. And tonight the governor says he just might grant it. 17's Eitan Wallace monitored Newsom's press briefing today.
Good afternoon, everybody.
At his press briefing today, Governor Gavin Newsom said his administration is in contact with the leadership of Kern County. Specifically, Newsom says Kern County has asked for flexibility on the guidelines Kern must meet to fast-track reopening. Kern meets most of the guidelines seen here, except for two, including no COVID-related deaths in the last 14 days. Kern has had 10 deaths in the last 2 weeks. Second, no more than one case per 10,000 people in the past 14 days. For Kern's population of 900,000, that would be no more than 90 cases in the last 2 weeks. We've had 469, but Newsom today indicated he is considering accommodations for the Golden Empire.
I know that this is a point of concern and consternation. It was brought up just yesterday with the wonderful outreach and the spirited cooperation we received from Kern County that described in their county certain conditions that they would like our health directors to consider to allow a modification of sorts based upon data, based on science, based upon their unique circumstances where we can apply some flexibility.
When asked to specify on what he would accommodate,
I'm not going to get in because we're in the details of those conversations.
But the governor did provide details on the reopening of additional sectors statewide. Those who can reopen with modifications and with county approval, shopping malls for pickup only, offices if workers are not able to work remotely, outdoor museums including botanical gardens, car washes, pet grooming, and dog walking services. Still not allowed in most of the state, including Kern, dine-in restaurants. Even so, the governor wants dine-in restaurant owners to start preparing for the day when they can reopen. And when they do, they will need to follow these guidelines. Have disposable menus or post them online. Employees will not be allowed to preset silverware on tables in advance. And of course, tables and chairs must be thoroughly cleaned after every use. Greater Bakersfield Chamber of Commerce President and CEO Nick Ortiz says before COVID-19, restaurants already had to follow strict rules, so he has no doubt local establishments will adhere to the governor's guidelines. Hear more from him tonight at 11. In Bakersfield, Eitan Wallace, 17 News.